Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench. I'm looking for your input. I'm creating a checklist for the 4.5 plane reviews. And I'd like to know, other than the obvious aspects like flatness of sole, squareness of cheeks, thickness of cheeks, the fit and finish of the hardware, the furniture, the thickness of the blade, how well it sharpens, the thickness of the chip breaker, how that's fit, overall fit and finish of the plane, perhaps the dimensions of the mouth, how well the lateral works. Is it a bearing or is it a flat disc or is it something else? The lever cap, how that fits. How tight does it have to be in order for it to hold everything in place? The adjusting screw, how many turns before you go from advance to retract? This one has a little over 3/4 of a turn. So that's about it. I just need your help to put this checklist together. If you can think of something that I'm missing, I'm sure I'll come up with things as we start taking the planes apart, and we'll start with the Stanley. Unfortunately, I have not yet heard from anyone that might have a Bedrock bench ready 4.5 or 604.5 that we can include in this review and comparison or shootout. So I hope you're having a good day. I'm at the end of mine. I'm totally exhausted. And I'm sure that shows on camera when I'm tired. I'll try to do the reviews when I'm more refreshed so I can take more time and be more clear. That's not a bad shaving. Full width, a little bit of feathering on one side. Got to work on the feathering on the other side. So I look forward to hearing from you. And I'm wishing you a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and go out to your shop. Make some shavings. Walter out.